want to talk about the idea of how important it is that you create a community environment, a community energy inside your membership program where you have 20, 30 people or so who are really committed, who really want to support one another, who show up for your course, right? They show up in the community, they come to the group coaching calls of yours, and everyone wants to help one another inside your membership coaching program. So you are not the sole leader of your program, but you have community members who are engaged, who add value, who support one another, and who also refer more members into this program, right? In this video, I'm gonna talk a little about how important it is for you to create a community energy that is like a fire that burns already on its own, right? And community is just there, everyone supporting one another, and you are not the only one who is always leading the way and trying to help everyone inside the program, inside the community, but the community is now standalone and it supports itself, everyone is happy, and the fire is burning, right? But at the beginning, of course, someone needs to ignite the fire, right? Enjoy this video. Here I've been driving through the villages of mine, and here is the plan. I have been running a membership program for 1.5 years now. So I had 30 members who are inside my membership. I charge them $97 per month, and I give them two things. I give them my course, my coaching, and I also provide people with a software, right? I give them an email marketing software. So my members, we can all, even myself, right? I'm using a software, a CRM email marketing software that allows me to put automations in place, that allows me to build an email list, right? So these are the two things that I give to my customers, my members, as part of my $97 per month program, right? Now, I'll be transparent with you, right? Some people in my membership, they are less active, and some of them are more active. Some people in my membership are only using my software, for example, and they don't come, for example, to my coaching calls. And I'm telling you this because I want to share with you in this video how important it is that if you have a coaching program, community membership, right? How important it is that there is a community connection amongst the members. Here is the thing, right? I have enjoyed mostly working with those members in my program who are very active, who show up for themselves, for me as their coach, and for the people inside our community, right? My goal when I started my membership program was that it creates energy. Not just that I am paid, right? But also it creates a community environment energy for me, right? And for the people, the members, the community members who are in the program, right? I'm telling you this for a reason. Because if you are a coach and if you are thinking of creating a membership program where people pay you, let's say $97 a month or any similar price, so they are part of your community, your coaching, your course, your goal should be that everyone enjoys the community environment, the energy. That should be your goal, right? To create this kind of vibe where everyone is like, hey, I really want to be part of this community, part of this program, part of this coach's energy, right? Because I feel the energy, I interact with the coach, with the other community members, and that's why I'm part of this program. Because if I wasn't gonna be part of this community, I wouldn't be growing. People don't transform their lives if they just go through a mini course. You wanna have in your program the coaching calls, and there should be a community environment. Now, how do my members and me facilitate the community environment? In two ways, right? Everyone is part of the community forum maybe in 3 ways, right? Number one, community forum. I use the app School, where everyone can post, everyone can ask questions, everyone can comment on each other's posts. Secondly, my members can connect via DMs, right? So on the School app, School is like a Facebook group, right? Allows all of the members to DM each other, to connect, to chat, right? And thirdly, people come to the coaching Q&A group mastermind calls with me. On a weekly basis, I run coaching calls, and on those calls, we are creating a community energy. We brainstorm ideas, I answer people's questions. Everyone talks amongst one another, right? So that's how I facilitate community energy, community environment in my membership program, right? I am stressing this a lot right now. How important it is that your community connects and everyone wants to support one another. I'm telling you this for a reason, because if you don't create a community environment in your program, you're gonna be the only one then guiding everyone, and you're gonna run out of energy. I've done that. When I started my membership program, I was like, okay, I'm the coach. Guys, follow my guide and ask me questions, I'll answer them. And I was always the one pulling forward, right? And I needed to solve that because I wanted to create a two-way connection amongst me and the members, and I want them to add value as well to the community and even to me. So I was like, hey, we need to treat my program not in a way that, hey, I'm the coach, you ask me questions, I'll give you answers, you're gonna do the work and so on, but that this is a two-way connection between me and the community and the members inside of the program, where everyone now can speak up, share what they're going through, what they learned, right? They can ask questions, or I sometimes ask questions to my community, to my members, right? And I try to connect with people. Now I'll add something here that will take it all to the next step now, right? The School app that I use, right, now allows members referring members, right? Meaning that if a member inside of our membership program, inside your community or my community, invites another member into the membership, right? This member who invited the new person can get a commission from me as a coach, as a leader. I can give that person for the connection, for the referral introduction, right? $40 per month in my case, 40%, right? You can choose from 10 to 50% to give to the person who invited a new person in, and if they did that, they're gonna get $40 in my case per month all the time for a one-time introduction. So why I'm saying this to you is because where I am going right now with my membership program is, for example, getting my members to refer more members into the program, right? And this incentivizes now community support and community connection. Because imagine, if I asked one of my successful members, for example, right, who transformed their life through my program already, if I ask my member, hey, who else do you know that could benefit of the program as well, right? And then my member writes a few names down, right? This member connects me with those names, and I speak with them, and we sign those new names into my program, right? This member who gave me the names, they want to support that new person so they succeed, and they keep paying the membership fee, and the member of mine who introduced the new person into the program, right, earns an ongoing monthly commission from me. So they are incentivized now to support that new member, right? And maybe the new member is gonna do the same thing. He's gonna invite another person into the program, and that new member is gonna want to support the new member, right? So everyone now will be incentivized to support one another, right? So imagine if this person is making 40 or 80 or 120 per month for them inviting 2 or 3 people, right? They will want to support those 2-3 people, right? If the new people will invite 1, 2, 3 people each or so, or less or more or so, they will want to support those people. So if you make 5 to 10 people to invite a few more people, and they actually sign under them or so they're getting commissions, now these 5, 10, 15 people will be supporting everyone because they want want the program to succeed and they want to keep their mini commission. Yeah, I know people are not incentivized really that much by, hey, I want to make 40 or 80 or 120 bucks per month extra affiliate. But some people really like to create a few sources of income. And like myself, right, I have affiliate income from the app school because I invited more than 25 people to it, so I'm making 1k plus per month just in affiliate commissions that come all the time, right? So you see, for me, referring people to the app, I'm making affiliate income now, and I have passive income, right? So now I am trying to do the same with my members. I am giving them an opportunity that if they invite people into my program or so, I give them an affiliate commission that comes in on its own and they don't need to do anything extra for it, and it's just a passive income from that time onwards for them, right? So I'm giving you these ideas right now here for you to understand how important it is to create a supportive environment and incentivize people to support one another. So we are on the edge now, on the verge of the idea here, right, of, hey, we can get our members successful and they can refer more members into the program, and everyone is going to support one another, and the community now will be a standalone, like a burning fire on its own, and us members, me as a coach or you as a coach as well, and the members will be able to sit next to it and enjoy the fire, right? At the beginning, you as a coach, you need to start the fire, right? You need to put the wood on it, you need to fire it all up, and you need to take and you need to blow on it, right? But later, if you establish an awesome, strong community environment, you're gonna have the fire burning on its own. The community will be there for you and it's gonna support itself, right? And so, right? So you see, that's the way that I am going with my program right now. I already climbed the ladder of 25 plus, almost 30 or so members in my membership program. Yes, some of them are just using my software, they're less active, and some of them are really active, coming to the coaching calls, participating in the community. But my goal now is to get my members, refer more members into the program, pay my members a little commission for doing that, and then I want to make everyone help one another, right? And there will be a two-way connection now, two-way communication as well on the group calls, group mastermind calls in the community environment. Everyone is gonna be so happy to support one another and so, right? And the community will be there, the fire will be burning on its own, right? Hopefully you get the gist, hopefully you get the idea, right? Your goal as a coach is to create a community environment that works and stands on its own. So you as a coach don't always need to be pulling stuff forward, but you rather focus on the community support, right? You're like, hey, how do I make sure that 10, 15 people are active, they come to the calls and they support everyone else as well, right? So you see, that should be your goal, right? Get to 10, 15 people who are focused on inviting other people into your program, into their program, right? Into this community, right? So everyone succeeds, right? And that's one of my goals right now. How to identify 10, 20 real strong community members of mine who are willing to spread the word and really support the community. I'm creating a mini leadership support group inside of my membership program of a few people who really want to add value and support one another and the community, and my program can then really grow and succeed on its own, right? So that's the plan here, okay? If you would like to join our free school that I run, find the link down below. I run a free school where I have a free course. There is a free community. You can come in, we can support one another for free. I have a free community, I have a paid community. If you would like to engage with me, come into my free community. Then you're gonna also find ways of how me and you could support each other even further, because I created something called a win-win collaboration. You are willing to really succeed through my knowledge, through my free course, or maybe through my paid course, where I teach you how to sign your first 10, 15 people paying you a monthly fee, so you can start having a recurring income, and then you can grow it to 20, 30, 50 members or so, right? I really want to help you succeed with your membership program at first, but then in exchange, because I can help you, support you like in a win-win collaboration, results-based environment, right? You are succeeding, but in exchange, you are inviting more people into our community, and you're supporting everyone inside my program, right? I'll explain you more about this idea of how me and you can interact if you could get into our school community, right? And down below is the link to the free school community of mine. I'll drop the link to the win-win collaboration as well. You can look into the video that I recorded. You can even apply and book a call with me. We can speak and connect and see if we can support one another, right? Yeah, and hopefully you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel as well here, because I create more valuable videos just like this one. And I'm also vlogging my journey to 100 members, and I'm showing insights of how my life here in my village looks like and what kind of stuff I'm working on, okay? So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and touch base soon.